A measuring tape is one of the most important tools in any DIY kit, and it's pretty basic in function and design, so you may be wondering, how could you be using it wrong? Let me tell you. We've all measured something that required a good old bend in the measuring tape. Measuring a window or the width of a room, how else could we get an accurate number? The bend seemed like the only logical answer. But here's where we've all been wrong. Most tape measures come standard with their body length measurement stamped right on the tape measure itself. So if you're measuring a window and you get to the edge, you just add the length of the tape measure's body onto the measurement from the tape itself, and you've got a much more accurate measurement than you'd get with the bending method. Total game changer. If you've got a discount brand tape measure, it may not have this helpful feature, but most of the ones you'd find at your local hardware store will. Share this tip with anyone you think could use it. And if you have any other tips and tricks that may help other DIYers, share them in the comments. And don't forget to visit Fix.com for more useful videos, blogs, and so much more.